How to customize Google Voice notifications. First of all, open the Google Voice app or go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Tap the menu icon and select Settings. Scroll through the notification section. Here you can choose which notifications you want to receive, such as missed calls, voicemail, text message, and more. You can also customize how you get notified via email, push notification, or sound alerts. For better focus, you may want to disable some notifications during work hours or at night. If you use multiple devices, make sure your notification settings are synced across all of them to avoid missing important alerts. Adjusting these settings lets you tailor Google Voice alerts to fit your daily routine and priorities. Now you know how to customize Google Voice notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.